Welcome back. In this video, we're going to be unboxing the DVOK MarbleFit collection, and then we're going to be showing you how you can use some of these beautiful gel polishes to create a simple and easy nail look that's going to be perfect for fall. When you order the MarbleFit collection, you will receive 10 gel polishes along with a swatch card and the MarbleFit base, which is needed to create any marbling design of your choice. So let's take a look at all of the polishes that come in this collection. First up, we have Cloud, which is a pure white. Next up, we have a black shade, and as we open the container, you will see that each gel polish has a small tapered brush. Here we have shade number 3, which is Deep Sea. Up next, we have a violet shade called Potion. Shade number 5 from this collection is a deep red called Blood. And here we have shade number 6, which is called Smoke. Next we have Sand. Number 8 is called Espresso, and it's a deep brown shade. Shade number 9 is Amazon, which is a emerald green. And last but not least, we have Mahogany, which is considered an orange shade. And here are what all the swatches look like together on the card that comes in the set. And for our nail look, we're going to be using shade number 10, which is Mahogany, shade number 8, which is Espresso, and lastly, we'll be needing a black shade, so we're going to go with number 2, which is Mook. So let's go ahead and get started with our fall nail look. We're going to begin by applying DVOK's makeup gel, starting at the cuticle area and working our way about halfway up on the nail. Essentially, we'll be creating a French tip, but we're not taking this polish all the way to the top of the nail because we want the tortoiseshell design to look like it's sitting on glass and be transparent. Starting off with this orange shade, we're going to show you how versatile these polishes are. If you're not ready to do your marble design just yet, you can actually apply the MarbleFit colors directly on the nail. We're going to be doing so to create a jelly-like base onto the nail to prepare us for our tortoise shell design. We're also using the small tapered brush to create a smile line just like you would on a French tip, and then we're going to paint the orange color from the smile line all the way up to the top of the nail. After the gel polishes have self-leveled, they'll look just like this, but we're gonna go ahead and cure in our lamp. We recommend curing for 120 seconds if you have an UV lamp and 60 seconds if you have an LED lamp. To begin our tortoiseshell design, we're gonna be using the MarbleFit base and applying it on top of that orange shade. And once we're done, we're not curing just yet. Next up, we're going to be taking shade number 8, which is Espresso, and creating small circular shapes on the nail. As we lay our first circle down, we're going to spread out the polish just a little bit, but let the MarbleFit base do the rest of the work. We're going to be laying our circular shapes in a zigzag pattern, so one on the left side, then on the right, and then one on the left side again. This is going to help create that tortoiseshell design without the brown shade marbling into one another. When doing this step, feel free to use tapping motions to add a little bit more pigment to certain areas of the nail as you see fit. We're going to let this bloom and repeat the steps for the rest of the nails. Once we're done with our design, we are going to cure in a lamp again, and then we're going to be taking the MarbleFit base one more time and applying it to each of the nails. As we're applying the MarbleFit base, we're making sure to apply the thinnest layer possible because with the next shade we're going to be using, we don't want it to marble too much, but just a little bit. And next we're going to be taking shade number 2 to add a little bit more darkness on the nail. We're using that small tapered brush to slightly outline those circular brown shapes that are on the nail. After curing the nails, we're going to apply our top coat, and we'll be using the DVOK enamel top, which is a medium viscosity gel. And after the final cure in our lamp, this is what the nails look like all completed. We really hope you enjoyed this video showing you how to put the DVOK MarbleFit collection to good use. And if you're interested in checking out any of the products that were featured in this video, be sure to take a look at our description box down below. If you enjoyed this tutorial, be sure to give us a thumbs up and to subscribe to our channel so you don't miss any of our upcoming tutorials. Thank you for watching, and we hope to see you in the next video.